Hello friends, this is my YouTube channel IT Blue. You can watch it for a strongly foundation of information technology and promises you to give you conceptual knowledge in computer. Keep watching for latest videos. Time to time I will come with the latest video in computer. Thank you. Hello friends, here I am come with the fourth part of application software. A small description I am going to tell you that the previous three parts. In first part we have learned the different types of application software, and in detail we have learned MS Word, that is word processing software. In second part we have learned the business software, basically for Excel, Access. And in third part we have learned the different documentation software with them web-based application software. Now in this particular video we will learn mobile based application, especially mobile based application software and their different aspects. So let's get started. Here come application software for the communication, means interact with the people. These application software we will use web browser, email, instant messaging, chat room, text picture or video messaging, RSS aggregator, blogging, news group or message board, FTP, VoIP and video conferencing. Web browser, if you want to give the information related to ourselves, we will use with the websites or web pages. Email for sending information, letters with the electronic form. Instant messaging means online, or we can say that the present scenario conferencing will be them with the help of messaging, either the video or text. Chat room, where we will make the group conferencing. Text picture video messaging with the help of the different web browser apps we will use for text picture and video messaging. RSS aggregator for the post of personalized based information. Blogging also related with that, the personal information if you want to send in the short form, that is the blogging. News group or message board, this is the web based application where we can get the information related with the current affairs or related with the current scenario which is going throughout the world. We can get with this. File transfer protocol for sharing, that is the uploading and downloading messages. Voice over internet protocol, that is used for the video conferencing, video communication. And next one is the video conferencing, also used in the communication with the web-based application software. Okay. Now coming to the important one, mobile application software. Mobile application software commonly used or commonly called apps. That is also a software, but in the mobile it is called as a apps, or tab it is called as a apps. Are computer programs designed to run on mobile devices such as a smartphone and tablets. These are created keeping in mind the small screen size and touch enabled interface. As the application software which is used in the desktop, laptop or big screen, the resolution accordingly has been programmed. And for mobile and app, their screen resolution has been programmed accordingly to they can display in the small display area, that is the smartphone and tablet. So that's why their video size, image size, screen size are small. An important feature has been added with the mobile apps, that is a touch enabled interface. By touching, because over there we are not using normally keyboard and mouse, so that's why we are touching and doing the work. So that's why the touch enabled feature has been used in mobile application. We will use get the mobile based application from the App Store. Different companies app stores are there, Samsung App Store, MI App Store, and popular one is the Google Play Store, right? Instagram, also the link will be there. Another one is the WhatsApp, another application, text, picture, video messaging app, and Google Map, blogging, news group, message board, FTP. These are the apps, no, which is used in the different names and different forms and different brands or different group of software manufacturing companies, which is used for the mobile, right? App Store, Google Play Store is used for the downloading or accessing the app. Instagram for the video or animated form of a group of collage of picture. WhatsApp for instant messaging. Text, picture, video messaging software. Different softwares are there which is used. Google Map for direction, for travel and tourism. Blogging, small sites for personal information. News group, broadcasting. FTP, file transfer protocol for the uploading and downloading of different formats of the video from the web pages. Voice over internet protocol for the video and voice chatting. Video conferencing, different type of video conferencing software are there, that is IMO, Skype, etc. Games, different types of games are also there. PUBG is so much popular but very dangerous for the society because the peoples are fully engaged with mentally as well as they are involved themselves in that, they are playing the game with that logical imagined characters, so that's why it is dangerous. Now the next one is native apps. Native apps are designed to run in a particular platform and they can access the device, their operating system, and those apps will have access to the entire platform, entire device, that is based on application programming interface and to all the functional unit of these. That are called native apps. Native apps are camera, which can access the application programming interface and the part of the mobile. Audio, which can also access. Next is that location, that is a mapping. Use the GPS and directly interact with your device. Network, that is percentage of network which can access the networking or tower. Next is address book, also directly accessing the application programming interface, and different address books and different cameras are run on the different platform of different operating system. Means those who are working on the Windows, their platform are different. Apple's, their platforms are different, and those are on Android, their platform are different, and they are full accessing of the application interface. And games, that is all the games were not running on all operating system. Symbians based differently, different games are there. Android different, means the games are supports on their operating system as well as the graphics resolution, right? The next one is that web apps, which is used in the mobile application software. Web apps are those which resides on a remote server and the interfacing web pages can be accessed on the user's mobile device through their websites. The website runs in the browser on the mobile while the app run on the server. Therefore, for every web pages request, an active network connection is required. Web apps can be used on multiple platforms and are not installed locally on a device but are available over the internet through a browser. Web apps are usually written in HTML5 and JavaScript. Web apps are those which can not be installed but they can run on the computer system whenever you will connect it with the internet. Without internet connectivity, you can't be access those apps, right? Means you will connect with the server of that app through the internet, and then you will access. Okay, WhatsApp is available in the mobile. It is also you are calling that, or we are calling that, mobile app. But it will work whenever it will connected with the internet, and they will connected with the server of the WhatsApp. They are communicating with the people through the website with the help of internet of that app, and usually written in HTML and JavaScript. Other languages are also used for making that. And the popular are online education. Different online e-tutors are there, like Byju's. Certain contents you can download it, but definitely you need to be accessed with the help of internet. Banking, transaction apps you can download of the different banks, but it will work whenever you will connect with the internet. That is a server. Online entertainment. This is also the popular one, where you can play the online video, and different apps you can install, but they will work with the help of internet. Right? E-commerce business, like Amazon, Flipkart app is there. You can open it, but you can access or utilize that app whenever you will connect with the internet. All these type of apps are called web apps and used in the mobile application. And these applications are also used in the computer also, but there is a screen resolution effect and the touch facility effects. Next one is the hybrid app. Hybrid apps are combine the feature of both native and web app. These apps can be partly stored on the local device, means your memory of the mobile, and partly on the server. Most of the apps are hybrid apps. Candy Crush, a gaming app. It is an example of a hybrid app. If you play the game on mobile device, it is a native app. But if you play with the another player anywhere in the world, it works as a web app. So it is called hybrid app. Hybrid apps are those which features are combination of native apps and web apps. Normally games, which is very much popular, are hybrid app. Certain stages will be offline, and after certain stage you need to be upgrade and play with them. And whenever you are playing with the multiplayers, on that time you need to be use online feature, that is internet connection, right? That is online. All maximum, not all, sorry to that, maximum of them, whenever the multiplayer feature will be there, they are using the online gaming. Online gambling. Different gambling apps are there, like recently Virat Kohli has publishing of that one related with the cricket gambling. MS Dhoni were also involved in that. 11 or cricketi.com, player.com. These are the different online gambling app. Okay, this is offline work, offline also work, and online. Learning tool of application software. Different tools are there. Offline tools for offline accessing of the tools of application software. We should have to take training of those operation of the application software with the help of tools. But some online also available in the form of a database, frequently asked question storage form, and online also, that is online help. This feature is available in most of the application software. Is the electronic equivalent of a user manual. You can ask a question or access the help topic in subject or alphabetical order. Either you can go through the online, or either you will use the offline by selecting the alphabetical order of the questions. Match your queries with them, and then after you will get the help instantly over there. And if those queries are not available or not matched with your queries or problem or help which you want from the application, then you can go through the online. Next one is the web-based help, which provide updates and more comprehensive resources to respond to technical issues about software. This is fully online. Time to time updates we are coming for the application software. You can update and enhance the interactive feature of that software to users can easily operate them by the help of this web-based help. For accessing of this help, you need to be connected with the internet, and sometimes you will face the technical issues which cannot perform your work or task on the application software. You can get the help from them by giving the feedback. Next thing is that web-based training. Web-based training is a type of CBT that uses internet technology and consists of application software on web. Content-based training. This is meaning of web-based training. Means online you can get the complete training course of that application software. They are providing you the visual ads and textual ad with the voice. So you can get the training about that software or that particular application. Next one is the distance learning. Nowadays distance learning are very much required due to the pandemic situation throughout the world. In distance learning is the delivery of education at one location while the learning takes place at other location. As you all know that the institutions are closed in this pandemic situations, or might be whenever the institutions were closed and you want to learn the particular topic or chapter, and if the institution will provide you the distance learning, then the contents will be uploaded on the air. Means different formats for the educational sites. You can connect with them, access, either you can learn online or offline by downloading of that video and interact with that, and online also you can learn in the distance learning by virtual imagine classrooms where there the students and teachers are interact virtually to get the class, get the knowledge and learn. That is the distance learning. Educators are different places and learners are different places. Now the summary. What is the overall summary of this part? That is how to start and interact with the application software we have learned in this video. Overview of variety of business software, graphics, multimedia software, home, personal, educational software, web application and application software for communications we have learned, and learning tool for application software and web-based training we have learned in this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you will like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.